Most people are still paying $20 every single month for basic subscription services, completely unaware that superior AI alternatives exist online for free. In this complete breakdown, you will learn 7 insanely powerful AI websites that will transform your daily workflow, automate complex tasks, and create studio-quality graphics without touching your credit card. Whether you need deep research tools, instant presentation builders, ultra-realistic voice generators, or custom interactive web applications, we have covered all of them in this step-by-step walkthrough. First up is Perplexity AI, a search engine that replaces traditional endless search results with direct, cited answers. Open your browser and navigate to perplexity.ai. Type your complex question in the search bar, like asking for a comprehensive breakdown of market trends in renewable energy for 2025. Notice how Perplexity scans academic papers, live web sources, and news outlets simultaneously. Click the Pro toggle for deeper multi-step reasoning, and see how every single claim comes with hyperlinked footnotes so you can instantly verify facts. Next is Gamma App, located at gamma.app. This tool turns basic text prompts into complete, beautifully designed presentation slides in seconds. Simply click Create New with AI, select Presentation, and type Pitch Deck for a sustainable coffee brand. Watch as Gamma generates 10 styled cards complete with images, structured headings, interactive charts, and formatted bullet points. You can easily drag and drop elements, tweak color themes with a single click, and export directly to PDF or PowerPoint format completely free. For AI image creation with perfect text rendering, head over to Ideogram.ai. Older AI generators struggled to write coherent English words, but Ideogram 2.0 solves this completely. Type a prompt like a retro vintage poster for a coffee shop that says Morning Roast in bold neon lettering. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and hit Generate. Look closely at the crisp typographic alignment and vibrant art style. You can select any element to remix or upscale to high resolution in seconds. If you need natural voiceovers for videos, audiobooks, or podcasts, navigate to ElevenLabs.io. Choose voice synthesis from the left navigation menu, pick a voice profile like Adam or Rachel, and paste your script into the editor box. Click Generate to hear human-like inflection, natural breathing pauses, and emotional depth. You can fine-tune stability and clarity sliders to adjust tone performance, and download studio-quality MP3 voice files instantly. Next, let us turn static pictures into motion clips using Runway at runwayml.com. Select Gen 2 or Motion Brush from the Creator dashboard. Upload any high-resolution image, draw over the specific areas you want to animate, such as flowing water or floating clouds, and set the motion speed slider to 3. Click Generate Force Video. Within seconds, your static picture converts into cinematic dynamic footage ready to download for video editing projects. To build working web applications without writing code from scratch, open Claude.ai and select Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Ensure the artifacts feature is enabled in settings. Ask Claude, create an interactive financial mortgage calculator web app with real-time interest sliders. Claude generates clean code in a dedicated split-screen window called Artifacts where you can test the live interactive app right beside your chat prompt. Finally, Clipdrop by Stability AI at clipdrop.co provides an incredible suite of fast image editing tools. Choose Cleanup to remove unwanted objects or text from any photo by simply painting over them with your cursor. Alternatively, open Relight to drop dynamic colored studio light sources anywhere around your subject in real-time 3D space. You can export high-definition edited images without needing expensive photo editing software. To get maximum value from these free AI tools, combine them into an integrated workflow. Use Perplexity to write topic outlines, pass that text into Claude to generate custom code or interactive assets, and design presentation slides on Gamma. Avoid common mistakes like using default generic prompts. Always provide specific role context, exact output guidelines, and structural examples for the highest quality results. Every single one of these 7 AI websites offers incredible value without charging upfront fees. Bookmark these links now so you can accelerate your projects, create better content, and save hours of manual labor every week. If you enjoyed this guide, hit the like button, subscribe for more practical tech breakdowns, and leave a comment sharing which tool you will try first today.